Good morning everyone. Good morning. Now we are going to recite the poem from our Midang book of class 2, chapter 3. This is my town. So let's recite this poem.
This is my town, in my town, there are streets, in my street, there are houses, in my house, there are rooms, in my room, there is a bed, on the bed, there is a basket, in the basket, there are some flowers, flowers in a basket, basket on the bed, bed in the room, room in the house, house in the street, street in the town. This is my town, this is my town, this is my town.
Sight words.
Sight words.
In, this, that, there, my. New words. Train, town, street, house, flower, basket. Let us speak. 1. What do you see in the picture? 2. What is the name of your town or city? 3. What is the name of your street? Let us write. A. Form words with the sets of letters given in the circles below. Then frame a sentence using that word. Letters. Word. Sentence. E. B. D. Blank. M. O. R. O. Blank. W. O. T. N. Blank. Let us write. A. Write your home address. Name or house number. Blank. Name of the street. Blank. Name of the area. Blank. Town. Blank. State. Blank. Country. Blank. Let us listen. A. Listen to your teacher. Your teacher will say one word from each column. And circle the words you hear in each row. Fan. Wall. House. Lane. Skin. Fin. Well. Mouse. Line. Swim. Note to the teacher. Use the above activity to sensitize children with the diversity of language and cultures of India. Help children find out the name of their street. Say one word clearly from each row given above for children to encircle. Let us do. A. Read the poem again. 1. Count the number of times you see the letter E in it. Write the number here. Blank. 2. Next, count the number of times you see the letter U in it. Write the number here. Blank. 3. Which letter do you see more number of times? Write the answer here. Blank. B. Look at the two pictures given below. Can you spot the differences? Note to the teacher. These activities will enhance observation skill of the children. Let us draw. A. Look at the picture. Add whatever you think is needed to complete it. Note to the teacher. Encourage the children to draw objects and living beings according to their imagination. Let us speak. A. Listen to the words that your teacher will read out. Point to the object that represents the word. Shirt, shell, shoe. Let us write. A. Write essays to fill in the blanks. Read the sentences aloud. The sun is blank blank ing today. I am wearing t-shirt and blank blank orts. My father is wearing a new blank blank irt. My grandmother is folding a blank blank awl. My uncle is polishing his blank blank oes. Note to the teacher. Prepare for the class by bringing the relevant objects and place them in the classroom.